저게 블루가 산인데 내가 왜 저렇게 나오는지 모르겠다.
수연아 저거 바다가 아니다.
다 산이야.
바다처럼 보이잖아.
저거? 도와줄까 엄마 이거 맞지? 아빠 하나 둘셋 하자 발 찍어야 돼.
눈 탁 떠.
아 잠깐만.
하나, 둘, 셋. 잠깐만 다시. 하나, 둘, 셋. 야, 좀 셋하고 이러고 있어. 하나, 둘, 셋.
We just used to
Read the doors, here they come. This is the world's steepest wow.
Shall we?
Spectacular view!
Okay, folks, in the Jamison Valley.
Skyway. My name's Lexi. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. There is a whole bunch to see, so obviously I cannot get around to pointing out everything. Any questions about what anything is, please feel free to ask. First things first, front right hand side there you have the beautiful Katoomba Falls. Katoomba Falls is 180 meters tall. It's the second highest waterfall in the Blue Mountains, second to only Wentworth Falls. Now something neat about this area is it used to be a plateau, so everything used to be level. The reason it looks like it does today is it was carved out by a large river in the Fluvial time period. Tons of rivers, creeks, streams are carved out this entire area to what it looks like today. Alright, so if you have a look at the back side of the cabin there, pretty much every single thing you can see is part of the Blue Mountains National Park. Now, does anyone have a guess? What percentage do you think you can see of the national park?
3%.
Yeah, you can see less than 2% of the national park. Only a tiny part. It is an absolutely gigantic landmass that is only just smaller than the entire country of Lebanon. So it's a pretty crazy size. It's actually earned itself the nickname the Blue Labyrinth as obviously when you look into the horizon it is blue and it is known as a bit of a maze. Imagine just walking all the way straight out there through the national park. So coming out on the right hand side here, we have Orphan Rock. Now Orphan Rock used to be the most popular lookout in the whole Blue Mountains. It's more popular even than Echo Point. However, yes, this one right here. You can see those are railings on top there. Yeah. So it was closed in 1974. There was a mudslide that took out the access point, and there were also two large holes through the middle of the rock from erosion. So it was closed down then. However, that balcony you can see kind of through the trees. It's a bit hard to see now. So there's a balcony on that far side there, and that was the most popular spot to propose before it was shut.
So very soon we'll be looking down 270 metres to the bottom of the valley. A few ways of calculating that. That's two Sydney Harbour bridges piled up on top of each other. 6-second drop, for example. Alright folks, and now, so looking out on the right hand side across the valley, that big long mountain straight across there, that's 6 kilometres away, and that is known as Mount Solitary, very popular with hikers. However, to the left of that, you're going to see, if you squint, two blue bumps on the horizon, which is actually 90 kilometres all the way to Mount Himmler and Mount Kira. That's Wollongong. So we can see the Wollongong from here, and yet everything we see before us is less than 2% of the whole Blue Mountains. We've just seen a mere slither of the Blue Mountains. They are massive. They are 4 times the size of Hong Kong. Same size as Lebanon, the country. Twice the size of Grand Canyon, which most see the Grand Canyon. You know, that's my point. This is Lebanon. And we often get asked, why the blue thing? Why are they blue? Why are they called Blue Mountains? And really, it's because they kind of like just look, when you look at them from a distance from where we are, further away it goes, more blue it is. Why are they blue? There's a pretty sisters, and for those who are interested in a bit of Katoomba tourist history, we're approaching an old tourist destination that is closed down. Okay, so this rock here, which is an strange sibling to one of the three sisters, it's called Orphan Rock. If you have a look, you can see the railings on the top. They date back to 1933. It used to be very popular until too many people fell off. Then they closed it down in 1974. I lied about the people falling off a bit. No, they may have. I don't know. I don't know that kind of detail. But just look at it. You can see why they closed it down, right? Does that look like that's up to date with health and safety standards? No. Right? Also, a mudslide took out the entry point in 1974. They went, you know what? This thing's done and dusted. Let's just put it into the realms of history.